USA enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel dedicated to unraveling the stories behind the crashes that shape our nation's roads. I'm Sib Attila, your guide into the world of vehicular history. Today, we're turning our attention to a subject that affects countless lives, the often overlooked world of car accidents in the USA. So, fasten your seatbelts, hit that subscribe button, and let's delve into the pages of Crash History USA Statistical Overview. As we kick off, let's start with the numbers. Recent data from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration paints a vivid picture of the current state of car accidents in the USA. Shockingly, car accidents occurred in the last year alone. These are not just numbers. Each digit represents a story, a life, and a community forever changed. Causes of car accidents. Now, let's dissect the root causes. From distracted driving to speeding and impaired driving, the causes of car accidents are as diverse as the road itself. In fact, studies suggest that a significant portion of accidents, around 72%, can be attributed to preventable factors. It's a stark reminder that we all play a role in road safety. Impact of car accidents. Beyond the twisted metal and shattered glass, the impact of car accidents resonates far and wide. Families torn apart, individuals coping with life-altering injuries, and the emotional toll on communities. It's a reality we can't ignore. In today's episode, we aim to shine a light on the human side of these incidents, emphasizing the need for continued awareness and safety measures. Safety measures and initiatives. To counteract the rising tide of car accidents, various safety measures and initiatives have been implemented. From seatbelt campaigns to public awareness drives, these efforts aim to instill a culture of responsibility on our roads. However, the battle is ongoing, and it requires a collective effort from drivers, policymakers, and communities. Technological advances. On a more optimistic note, technology is proving to be a valuable ally in the fight against car accidents. Advanced driver assistance systems, collision avoidance technologies, and vehicle-to-vehicle communication are transforming the landscape. In this digital age, our cars are becoming smarter, offering a glimmer of hope for a safer future. Case studies. To truly understand the impact of car accidents, we turn to the Crash History Archives. A poignant reminder of the fragility of life on the road. Each case tells a unique story, underlining the need for ongoing vigilance and education. Interviews, expert opinions. Gaining insight from experts in the field is crucial. In our quest for understanding, we spoke to James, who sheds light on the psychological aspects of driving, Kishan, who advocates for stricter penalties for reckless driving, and David, who discusses the role of technology in preventing accidents. Their perspectives add depth to our exploration of car accidents in the USA. Preventive measures. As we wrap up this journey through the world of car accidents, let's shift our focus to prevention. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a new learner, adopting simple yet effective habits can make a significant difference. From avoiding distractions to obeying traffic rules, it's the small steps that collectively contribute to safer roads. Conclusion. As we conclude today's episode, Crash History USA is committed to shedding light on these stories, fostering dialogue, and advocating for positive change. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more gripping tales from the roads of America. Until next time, drive safe.